Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best kitchen products to make your cooking experience easier and more enjoyable. Today, we're diving into the 2024 upgrade of the Hifybaty over-the-sink cutting board, a product we believe is the best expandable cutting board for your sink. This cutting board is designed to create more space in your kitchen by turning the area above your sink into a practical extension of your countertop. With its unique expandable design, it measures 24 inches by 11.4 inches, but can easily extend to 33.6 inches to fit sinks of various sizes. It's a simple yet genius solution for anyone looking to maximize kitchen space, whether you're prepping vegetables, cutting meat, or even doing some quick meal prep. What makes this cutting board stand out is its built-in juice groove. This feature catches any juices from meat, fruits, or vegetables, ensuring your workspace stays clean and organized. The grooves keep liquids from spilling over, making it easy to brush debris directly into the sink or dispose of them with ease. It's not just practical, it also makes cleanup a breeze. Now let's talk about the material. Made from bamboo, this cutting board is not only eco-friendly but also incredibly durable. Bamboo is naturally non-porous, meaning it resists liquids, preventing it from warping, cracking, or absorbing odors. You can use it daily without worrying about stains or knife scarring. Bamboo is also naturally strong, which means this cutting board will last you for years to come. Another great feature of the Hifybaty over-the-sink cutting board is its non-slip design. The cutting board stays securely in place while you're chopping or slicing, reducing the risk of accidents in the kitchen. Whether you're chopping delicate herbs or slicing through tough meat, this cutting board won't move, offering you stability and safety during food prep. But that's not all. This cutting board can also double as a beautiful serving tray. Its sleek, natural bamboo finish makes it perfect for use as a charcuterie or cheese board. You can easily serve guests with style, whether you're having a small gathering or a big party. So, if you're looking for an easy way to increase your kitchen space, keep your counter clean, and make food prep more efficient, the Hifybaty over-the-sink cutting board is a fantastic choice. It combines functionality, durability, and versatility in one simple design, making it the best expandable cutting board for your sink. Thank you for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our future reviews of top-rated kitchen products. Happy cooking!